All right, first graders, we're going to get working on our fast math. So make sure you have number 13 pulled up on the bus. And number 1, let's get started. Number 1 says, put an X on the smallest chair. Number 2 says, put a circle around the container that holds the least. So remember, the least means the smallest. The next one, you're going to count the money and write how many cents it is. So take a look. It's kind of hard to tell, but remember, this one's a penny, so it's worth 1, and this one's a nickel, so it's worth 5. And then we have 3 pennies and a nickel and 3 pennies, and a penny and 2 nickels. So push pause if you need to figure those out. The next part says, Mark had 7 hats. He gave some away. Oh, man. Now he has 3 hats. How many did he give away? So, push pause. This one's a little trickier. I'm going to read it one more time. Mark had 7 hats. He gave some away. Now he has 3 hats. How many did he give away? Push pause and fill that out if you need to. And then once you're ready, let's correct them together. So the first part said put an X on the smallest chair. Here's our smallest chair. All right, the next one said put a circle around the container that holds the least. So the least is the smallest. So since this one is the smallest, it would hold the least. All right, the next part, we are counting money. So we have 1 nickel and 1 penny. So 5 and 1 makes 6 cents. The next one, we have 1 nickel and 3 pennies. So here I'm going to count 5, 6, 7, 8 cents. Here I have 1 nickel and 3 pennies again. So we start with 5, 6, 7, 8 cents again. And the next one has 2 nickels, so 5 and 5, and then 1 penny. So we know 5 and 5 is 10, and 1 more is 11. All right, Mark had 7 hats. He gave some away. So some are going away, which means we are subtracting. Now he has 3 hats. How many did he give away? So the numbers we know are 7 and 3. Now, the plan this time is a little bit trickier than the ones we've been doing. So this time we're starting with, Mark started with 7. We know we're subtracting because he gave some away. But we don't know how many he gave away, so we don't know how many we're subtracting. So this time the box goes in the middle. Because he had 7 hats, he gave some away, and now he has 3 hats. So our answer is 3. So to figure this one out, we're starting with 7. We want to know how many fingers would you take away to only have 3 fingers left. So I started with 7. If I want 3 left, I'm going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers to have 3 left. So he gave 4 hats away. All right, make sure you have a period at the end of your sentence and you are good to go. Nice job working hard, first graders.